Welcome back, I enjoy watching.
What good is being queen if I don't fight back? Being a leader is about more than barking orders when people don't do what you want. And how many times have I...
How did this happen? A terrible accident.
Oh my god!
I say my mama likes that. Oh! I don't care what these people think of me.
Experience when there isn't what happening there.
But what made you decide to go down that road?
Holy shit! Philosophy that's behind what is it?
He took a wrong turn. He's clearly lucky in life. Accident on a wet road. Watch the white car.
Back to bed this morning. Some yeah, the sky was dark and hypothetical.
It's good that they noticed it.
OnStar email.
It looks like he was late for work to make such a stupid move.
Sí, pero me llama tanto el problema. De hecho, no aumentará mucho porque hace 10 o 15 años no estaba en la ecuación todo lo que está pasando ahora con el consumo de este metal. Así que para muchos la única esperanza está en el pequeño del cual está creciendo considerablemente, pero no, eso tampoco será suficiente. El consumo generará un suministro adicional de 2 millones de toneladas por año y eso, siendo optimistas. Así que amigos, las cosas no salen. Y ese es el motivo por el que cada vez más analistas esperan un déficit de 9,5 y 9 millones de toneladas por año solo para el 2030. Y eso es como tener un déficit de 38 y 33% de consumo actual insostenible. ¿Y cómo corréis el mercado de esos déficits tan grandes de oferta? Pues con mejores tecnologías.
I'm not surprised by anything in winter anymore. A complete failure in the store parking. Why he didn't look in the mirror? didn't keep an eye on the road.
Trying to touch you up.
If you're fucking happy, don't you dare! My brother's just drowned, okay?
It's not my fault he can't swim.
Oh, damn you!
All surprised they were by this turn of events.
Oh, good on you, Mercedes.
Oh my god!
Good on you, XB826C.
Do you know what?
That was the last second decision.
I can't believe they managed to do it. Like, there was no traffic that they could get right
How
across.
they could hit anyone, I have no
Well,
idea.
they were fine. And I can't believe there was no one there.
What Formula 1 car just sped past? Almost an accident.
Fucking hell!
Why is there such a mania for turning from the left lane?
Current loop video is now locked.
The man was calmly driving home from work.
Jesus fucking Christ.
What the hell is going on here?
Yo, what the fuck was that, dude?
What the hell?
Yo, I got
didn't enter the turn. She was stopped because she was filming them.
I think someone needs to call 911. They are seriously like attacking me.
We'll call 911 right now.
Yep.
What's your location?
Call 911. I'm right at the corner of Jefferson. No, no, I will not. I will not get out of the car. No, no. I will not get out of the car. You guys, I need CEOs here now.
Get out of the car.
No, I will not get out of the car. You can't do this. Get your hands off of me. Get your fucking hands off me. Get your hands off me. I am not doing shit. I am observing. I am observing. I have not done anything.
What the fuck? Are we fucking?
Jesus Christ.
Wow. Hold up, lady. Jeez.
What is this turn called?
Realize their tire's completely flat? Like, come on, they have to have a tire light on for that, dude. That's wow.
You alright, brother? ¿Está bien?
I'm here for you.
Un momento.
I don't have any.
I'm here.